welcome to the Victoria and Olivia Henry podcast. Yep, this is our podcast.
No, this is Olivia Henry, Victoria Henry's younger sister, and the best sister out of the three of us. Maybe I should stop talking.
Yep, as soon as we got on this thing, it just started coming out weird, but I think we're just... Okay, I'm inherently just not creative, so we're just gonna be talking.
I have always wanted to have my brother work with me, to feel like we are conquering together. Always been a secret fantasy of mine. Loyalty, honor, trust.
Just everywhere. Here are some who like to run. They run for fun in the hot, hot sun. Oh me, oh my. Oh me, oh my. What a lot of funny things go by. Some have 2 feet and some have 4. Some have 6 feet and some have more. Where do they come from?
And you load up. And you like in control of this airplane, and I started like really enjoying it because I've always enjoyed like flying simulators and stuff like that.
I woke up to screams. I immediately got up and looked out my window. It was too dark to get a clear image of anything, but I swear I saw a shadow moving in the distance.
Established. You blink back into the corporeal world disoriented, only for me to hand you a hamburger as my body collapses under the strain of reconstitution. The universe has reasserted itself. A particular small dog is fed steak for the rest of its natural life. You die in a freak accident moments later, and your soul works at the returns desk for the Phoenix Library. You disapprove. Your disapproval sends ripples through the interdimensional void between life and death. A small child begins to cry as he walks toward the stairway where his father stands.